Alright guys, hold on to your remotes, because the Apple TV 2025 is shaping up to be one of the biggest surprises in Apple's entire lineup. This isn't just another refresh, it's a complete reinvention of how Apple wants you to experience entertainment, gaming, and even your smart home. We're talking about a device powered by the A17 Pro chip, equipped with Wi-Fi 7, packed with AI-driven Apple intelligence, and for the first time ever, possibly featuring a built-in FaceTime camera right in your TV box. According to multiple leaks and insider reports, this next-gen Apple TV could drop later this year, most likely at Apple's October event 2025. So, let's dive deep into everything we know. The leaks, features, design changes, and shocking price rumors, because trust me, you'll want to see how this tiny box could become Apple's smartest product of the year. A whole new era for Apple TV. Apple isn't just upgrading specs this time, it's reimagining the role of the Apple TV. Insiders say this box will act as the heart of Apple's home ecosystem, controlling devices, managing AI routines, handling entertainment, gaming, and communication, all powered by one of the most advanced chips Apple has ever made. This isn't just about streaming Netflix anymore. It's about transforming your living room into a smart, connected, and intelligent experience, with AI at the center of everything. A17 Pro chip, turning your TV into a powerhouse. Let's start with the engine, the A17 Pro chip. You've seen it before in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. And it's a beast, built on TSMC's 3nm architecture. This chip brings console-grade performance and extreme efficiency. For the first time, an Apple TV will have enough raw power to handle AAA-level gaming, AI-driven image enhancement, and even augmented reality applications in the near future. Imagine playing Resident Evil Village or No Man's Sky in full 4K HDR at 60 FPS, with no lag, all from a box smaller than your hand. That's not a dream anymore. That's what the A17 Pro promises. Leakers also claim Apple is doubling the RAM from 4GB to 8GB, opening the door for smoother multitasking, faster app switching, and real-time AI processing. This might be the first Apple TV that truly blurs the line between a streaming box and a console. Apple Intelligence comes home. Here's where things get fascinating. Apple recently introduced Apple Intelligence with the iPhone 17 lineup, a next-generation AI system designed to make every device smarter, more personal, and more human. And now, that same intelligence could be making its way to your living room. The A17 Pro's neural engine is strong enough to run on-device AI tasks, meaning no constant cloud connection or lag. This could allow the new Apple TV to feature a fully conversational Siri, one that remembers your preferences, understands context, and helps control your home naturally. Hey Siri, dim the lights, play my chill playlist, and open YouTube. Done. All in one sentence. Apple is building a future where the Apple TV is not just a player, but a companion that understands your lifestyle. Built-in FaceTime camera, the game-changer. One of the hottest rumors? A built-in FaceTime camera. Until now, Apple TV relied on continuity camera, which used your iPhone or iPad for video calls. It worked fine, but it was never seamless. Now, imagine walking into your living room, turning on the TV, and FaceTiming your family without touching a single device. No phone setup. No awkward mounts, just instant high-quality video calls straight from your couch. If this happens, it could completely redefine how families connect through the Apple ecosystem, especially with AI enhancements like automatic framing and gesture recognition. Gesture control and spatial magic. This might be where Apple flexes its futuristic muscles. With Apple Vision Pro and Vision OS, we've already seen how Apple handles gesture and spatial control, and insiders say Apple could be adapting this tech for tvOS. Imagine pausing a movie with a simple hand wave, or adjusting the volume with a pinch gesture. No remote required. If these rumors prove true, Apple TV will take the first real step into spatial computing for everyone, bringing vision-level control to the masses, right in your living room. The $99 shock, Apple's smartest move. Yet, here's the part that's blowing everyone's mind. Apple's streaming boxes have always been premium. The current Apple TV 4K starts at $129 and goes up to $149. But leaks suggest Apple might be preparing a budget-friendly version, priced under $100, possibly $99 flat. That price point isn't random. It's the same figure Apple used for the legendary 2010 and 2012 Apple TVs. But this time, you'd be getting next-gen performance, AI intelligence, and Wi-Fi 7 for the same cost. If Apple actually delivers that combination under $100, it could crush competitors like Roku, Chromecast, and Amazon Fire overnight. Smart Home Hub, the AI centerpiece. Apple's strategy is clear. The new Apple TV isn't just an entertainment box. It's the brain of your smart home. Powered by the A17 Pro, it can easily handle HomeKit automations, Matter devices, and Apple Intelligence routines. Expect smoother control of lighting, cameras, thermostats, and accessories, all powered by tvOS 19, which will reportedly feature a cleaner, modular interface, smarter, AI-driven content recommendations, personalized tiles based on your viewing habits, and deeper integration with Apple Music, Fitness Plus and Arcade Add in a rumored Apple game controller, and upgraded Siri voice intelligence. And you're looking at an entertainment hub that also manages your life. Design and build. Smaller, cooler, smarter. Apple's not doing a full redesign, but subtle changes are coming. Expect a smaller chassis, better heat management, and an even quieter fanless design. The look could align with the 2025 Apple lineup. Matte finishes, rounded edges, and possibly a space black option to match the iPhone 17 Pro aesthetic. Even the Siri remote might see upgrades, stronger haptic feedback, improved grip, and U1 chip support for precise Find My tracking. Sustainability. Smarter and greener. Apple's doubling down on sustainability too. The 2025 Apple TV could use 100% recycled aluminum, halogen-free components, and a smaller carbon footprint thanks to the A17 Pro's 3nm efficiency. It's all part of Apple's 2030 carbon neutrality goal, meaning your next Apple TV won't just be powerful, it'll be planet-friendly too. Expect ultra-low standby consumption and instant wait times. Always ready, but never wasteful. Release date. When's it coming? All signs point to October or November 2025. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports that Apple is aligning the release with its fall lineup, giving the new Apple TV perfect timing for the holiday season. So yes, the countdown has already begun. Final thoughts. The Apple TV revolution, you might be thinking, it's just a streaming box, and how big a deal can it be? But this is Apple we're talking about. They're taking what used to be a simple media player and turning it into a powerful AI-driven hub that blends entertainment, communication, and automation. You're getting the A17 Pro, chip Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 6 Apple. Intelligence and conversational Siri possible built-in. FaceTime camera gesture control and tvOS 19 redesign, all at a rumored $99 price point. That's not a small upgrade. That's a revolution for your living room. If this turns out to be true, the Apple TV 2025 might quietly become Apple's most underrated and most loved product of the year.